Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Prop Trading Partners on with Bob Iacchino. Checking in on Apple. Apple finally triggered our weekly double top. It confirmed it for the last 3 weeks, but finally triggered it today or on Friday's close. So now we're watching for a full target around 197.13. What's interesting is based off the daily GAN projections also down. We have 198.48 to 197.13 as our first target area. If we do break through there longer term, we're going to be watching for a return to about 192.50, rising 50-week moving exponential moving average. And this is prior resistance from here and here becoming support. So that's our longer term area also we'll be keying on if we drop through that 197. If I switch to a daily chart, let's zoom in on this daily chart a bit. So you can see how we're projected down here from the GAN levels to get lower. Key resistance now coming in. We had support. You see we had a lot of support pretty much centered around this 216 level back in beginning of September, back in the mid to end September, then just below that in October multiple times. Then we broke down, just kept making slightly lower lows and breaking through there. But now your key resistance on any rally, keep in mind we do have this big gap left behind. We've talked about gaps multiple times. But the key resistance now is about 215.85 to 216. That's where the hooking over daily rotation zone is. So that's what we'll be watching for on any rally up. And even that rally up, we could easily rally up even into the low 220s, and it would still be a valid weekly double top. So at this point, rallies in Apple are not bullish at this point. Also, if we go back to the weekly chart, we are below the rotation zone, so it did trigger this and close below the rotation zone, so that ups the probability that this will head lower. So unless you're being super aggressive and building a position in Apple, we're going to be watching for lower prices over the longer term, and then watch down somewhere down in here for a bottoming pattern to reestablish a bullish position. That's what we have for you on an Apple update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.